Hi guys, you're welcome to God Academy. In this lesson, I'll be taking you through the type 4, which is the factorial problems of mathematical induction. The problem here says prove that n factorial is greater than 2 to the power n for n greater than or equal to 4, right? In our previous lesson, we've done different problems, the type 1 to type 3, so we're looking at type 4 in this video. Stay glued to your seats and watch this video to the end. How do I prove that a statement n factorial is greater than 2 to the power n for every n greater than or equal to 4? The statement here is telling us that if our n is less than 4, it won't be satisfied. So to test for our base case, we should obey this part of the statement. Our base case comes here. So proving for n is equal to, so greater than or equal to 4, we can start from 4, okay? So we're going to have 4 factorial is greater than 2 to the power 4. So on my left hand side, what is 4 factorial? 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is greater than 2 to the power 4 is 16. So this is 12, 24, right? So 24 is indeed greater than 16. Our base case is true. Now I come to induction hypothesis. Induction hypothesis, I'll say that assuming that the statement is true for n is equal to k, I'll have k factorial is greater than 2 to the power k, where k is greater than or equal to 4, and this is true. Then move straight to the inductive step, okay? So for our inductive step, I'm proving for n is equal to k plus 1, powerful. So how do I solve this? So proving for n equals k plus 1, I'll have k plus 1, everything factorial is greater than 2 to the power k plus 1, where k is greater than or equal to 4, right? So the k plus 1 is just finding the next 10. So that one, we have a way of dealing it. So we have to simplify this and show that indeed on my left hand side, if I have k plus 1 factorial, it is going to be greater than 2 to the power k plus 1. And we're going to use the assumption to prove this. In our assumption, k factorial is greater than 2 to the power k, and we have accepted that it's very true. How then do I prove here that this is true? Now, this is what I'll do. I'll simplify what I have here. I'll have, you know that when you have a number factorial, is that number itself, k plus 1, times the number minus 1. When I subtract 1, I'll get k, and let's say k minus 1 factorial. Let me stop here. Greater than this 2 to the power k plus 1. Remember 2 to the power k plus 1 can be written as 2 to the power k multiplying 2, right? Yeah, this is where we are now. But let's go back to the assumption. So from assumption, you realize that the k factorial I have here, which we claim is greater than the 2 to the power k, what do? I'll expand it. So I'll say that k multiplying k minus 1, right? Factorial. Is that not it? Yeah. So now this expression is greater than 2 to the power what k. Nicely. So in this comparison, you can see that I have k here, I have k here, I have k minus 1 factorial, I have k minus 1 or factorial here. And I'm saying that this is greater than 2 to the power k, and it's true. But this has 2 here. So now this is times 2, okay? And there is another term here, k plus 1. You cannot tell me that this k plus 1 and these two, you can compare directly. You can't compare directly. You still have to expand or simplify, okay? So what do? Now we can say that we want this to look like this, okay? So I'll multiply through by 2, and I'm going to have 2 multiplying k minus 1 factorial greater than 2 multiplying or 2 to the power k. Remember that whenever you are dealing with your assumption, whatever you are doing is true and is acceptable. So from our assumption, you realize that 2 multiplying 2 to the power k is always less than this expression. Always less than this expression. 2 to the 2 multiplying k, k minus 1. It's always less than, or I'll say that this expression here, 2k multiplying k minus 1 factorial is greater, always greater than this. If that is the truth, now let's go back to our main problem. This is our main problem. You realize that this thing that we have here, the same thing is here, right? I have this here, the same thing is also here. There is 2, then there is k plus 1. That is the only thing I have to show here. There is 2, there is k plus 1. So now, k plus 1 and 2k, right? Sorry, and 2. How do I know that this is big? What I'm trying to do right now is I want to show that the term here is bigger than this. But to show that, I already know that this term here is bigger than this expression. So for me to confirm that this is indeed bigger than this, then it means I have to show that this number that we have here is less than this, right? So how do I show that this and this? Now we already have our k, that k should be greater than or equal to what? 4, right? So if k should be greater than or equal to 4, then you realize that at this point we have the k that we have here is something which is going to be bigger than 4. I don't know if you get me. The k here cannot be 1, cannot be 2, cannot be 3, cannot be, it can be 4 going. And the number that we have here left is 2. So it shows that k plus 1 multiplying k minus 1 factorial is greater than 2k k minus 1 factorial. I don't know if you get it. So this expression here, which is this, is greater than this expression because 2 is smaller than what? This, because k already in our proof is greater than 4. And we have k here, we have k here, we have k minus 1 factorial, we have k minus 1 factorial, where we know that 2 to the power k, this expression is bigger than already. Therefore, we say that since k plus 1, k minus 1 factorial is bigger than 2k k minus 1 factorial, and 2k multiplying k minus 1 factorial is also bigger than 2 multiplying 2 to the power k, then obviously we can say that the expression k plus 1 multiplying k minus 1 factorial is greater than 2 to the power what? K multiplied by 2. And therefore, our mathematical induction is proved. Please take note, we don't have a formula. You need to show explicitly that this is bigger than this by using the comparison and the condition, and that is all. See you in the next video.